if I say you, when you wake up in the morning and a notification pop up on your phone that congratulations you earn $100, and when you take a coffee and another notification pop up on your phone that another $100 are in your PayPal on your bank account you receive. Yeah, that's true. You can make money by doing nothing, and you can get these notifications daily again and again. So this short video can change your life. So watch till the end of the video to get benefits from this method. And one thing more, this is available worldwide. For example, you are from US, UK, Indonesia, India, Pakistan or Bangladesh, and no matter where are you coming from. So the one app or website which we are using today to download free on your phone is InstaGC. So the instagc.com is working on Android and iOS devices. Wait, first I want to show you the payment proof from InstaGC to motivate you. So go to facebook.com and type InstaGC to see this official page. They are showing payment proof. So here you can see $185 in PayPal and $50.5 in PayPal and 50 gift card in Amazon and $85 in PayPal points. So you can see here a lot of gift card they are giving. Even they are giving you in $120 in Bitcoin. Yeah, that's right. You have different options to get paid. So here you can say direct deposit. So this website is going to pay you a lot of gift cards. So in this app you earn points to doing things you do daily. So completing surveys you can earn money from the website, and watching videos earn money from the website, and shopping online to earn money from the website, and searching the web. Yeah, so here I am showing you a bonus tip. When you watching videos you can open it in multiple tabs and watch videos in multiple windows, and with that you can complete surveys because videos are playing in background. Yeah, you can earn more points with this trick. Yeah, so you can join the InstaGC in Facebook, Twitter, Google. Yeah, you have three options to join instagc.com, and you only provide username, password again, email address, and sign up and get 10 free points. Yeah, you will get 10 free points instant. So that's all for today. So go to instagc.com and take your benefits. Yeah, I know this is short video, but you get more benefit from this video, and you can check it out my other videos regarding make money online, earn money online, and online business, and you can check short videos. Thanks for watching.